So ano nga ba yung mga ways on how you can efficiently farm Shell's ranking point or faster than other players? Hey guys, this is BM and today pag-uusapan natin ngayon yung mga sources ng Shell's ranking points and also paano nyo nga ba ito mamamaximize. Anyway guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga panibago nating uploads regarding kay Seal M. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So today, pag-usapan natin ngayon kung paano nga ba kayo makakapagpataas ng rank sa Shield's rankings. Now, maraming dinagdag na options on how you can actually farm Shield's ranking points. So tara, huwag na natin itong patagalin at simulan na natin to. So the first one is by clearing this event quest, which is defeat dimensional reef bosses. Okay? As you can see here guys, you will be able to get at least 6,700 Shield's ranking points in a daily basis kung nakiklear nyo tong lahat. Okay? Now, daily to guys, which means that you will be able to get those amount of points at malaki yung magiging difference in terms of the Shield's ranking kapag ginagawa nyo to or kapag natatapos nyo to in a daily basis. So make sure that you don't skip this one. Maghanap kayo ng mga kaparty nyo na medyo malalakas na sa server para at least matatapos nyo tong quest na to. Now, the second way is for you to be able to finish it under the Shield's past missions or either season's past missions. Now dito guys, you will be able to do this in a daily basis. Okay, you will be able to gather a good amount of Shield's ranking points as well. And bonus na guys kapag naka-subscribe kayo sa premium. Kasi kapag naka-subscribe kayo sa premium, ang maximum na pwede nyo makuha dito per quest is 40 Shield's ranking points. Ganun din dito sa season pass mission that it has an additional Shield's ranking points kapag naka-subscribe kayo sa premium nila as well. But you just have to finish this in order for you to be able to actually get the Shield's ranking points dito sa mga quest na to. Number 3 is by ranking up sa dungeons, okay? So dito sa dungeons guys, you will be able to get Shield's ranking points depende sa rank nyo. Kung mapapansin nyo dito guys, under ranking rewards, you will be able to see kung anong tier ka and also kung ilang Shield's ranking points yung makukuha mo. So iba-iba yung rankings per dungeon. So merong equipment dungeon, merong segel dungeon, okay, which is meron din siyang ranking dito. And then meron ding winter dungeon ranking as well. Aside from that, syempre yung mga boss na i-defeat nyo, especially dito sa Dimensional Rift, will actually give you the points, which is yung pinag-usapan natin kanina lang. So the next one is by finishing field bosses. Now, it's very important to actually finish these field bosses guys kasi itong mga field boss na to, nagbibigay siya ng random na Shield's ranking points. If you actually go sa Shield's ranking guys, okay, makikita nyo dito guys kung ilang Shield's ranking points yung makukuha nyo per boss. So sa Sky Shaman, kapag rank 1 kayo, 66, ngayon kay Cat naman, so dumodoble siya guys. Kung mapapansin nyo dito, nadadagdagan siya ng nadadagdagan. Especially dito sa Galadriel, okay, malaki din yung bigay nito. So i-goal nyo na palakasin yung character nyo para kayo yung nagde-dealt ng most amount of damage sa boss. Kasi yung Shield's ranking points is depende sa rank, which means the more damage you deal, the more Shield's ranking points you can actually get. Okay? Meron ding Reef Boss guys. So dito makakuha kayo ng mas mataas na Shield's ranking points. So better to always finish it para at least ma-maximize yung points. Now, Tower of Sage is also going to give you a Shield's ranking points kung nasa top rankings kayo. Kung mapapansin nyo dito, ang nire-reward na lang nila is from rank 1 to rank 100. So it's better to always clear this para at least makakuha kayo ng Shield's ranking points as well. Alright, so pretty much that's it. And I hope meron kayo natutunan dito sa video na to. Those are the updated ways on how you can actually get Shield's ranking points. So congratulations sa mga magiging top 1 to 100 players ngayong season na to. Well played guys, no? Talagang grinayin nyo ng gusto. Next season guys, tatry natin we're going to use the remaining of the season para magpalakas ng character natin na makaka-catch up doon sa mga players dito sa server na to. I'm also planning to create a new character sa server kung saan may mga tropa tayo guys, no? Kasi mahirap maging solo player dito, especially kung you're going to do runs like yung mga riff na napakahirap mag-solo, so mas okay na meron kayong kasama sa server nyo. So anyway guys, maraming salamat ulit sa panonood. This is BM again and alam niyo na, peace out.